Okay, any one review in your native language about this experience you want to share? Just share.
Can I speak in Tamil?
Yeah, your native language.
Okay. So, எங்களை ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக ஃபீல் பண்ண வைக்கிறாங்க and also conversationsலாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா பேசுகிறாங்க.
Yes, thank you. That was very sweet of you. I'm a newbie over here,
Okay.
so I don't know much about photography and all. So I don't.
What's your name?
It's Anil,
Okay.
and I don't guide people to give me that some
Yeah.
poses and all.
Yeah.
I just leave them.
That's
to-
like pressure.
Yeah,
This is like it's getting
Yeah, I just make them do something very very random, and I'm going to capture the
I
moment.
feel like you make them comfortable also.
Yes. So according to you, what is famous in Bangalore? Okay, so what do you want to become in future? Do you have a favorite actor of yours? Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a photographer.
Okay.
Can I take some of your photos?
Oh, is this for like
Instagram purpose, yeah. So,
Okay, sure.
yeah, my name is Anil. What's your name?
I'm Charmi.
Charmi. Okay, hi Charmi, where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
You're from Bangalore itself. So according to you, what is famous in Bangalore?
People like before when I was younger, the parks and everything was famous.
Okay.
But now I think it's mostly just the nightlife and everything.
Yeah, it was also called about, the Bangalore was called about, the Garden
the
City.
Silicon City.
The Silicon City, the Garden City. And now it's just, like a software hub.
It's like tech and then nightlife. That's
Yes,
really
yes. So that was interesting actually, the way you described the Bangalore.
Yeah.
That was very interesting
Thank
about
you.
that. And how long it's been that you're in Bangalore, like from birth or
yeah,
what?
I'm born here and brought up.
Okay,
here.
so what do you do for a living?
No, I'm still studying. I'm a student.
Okay, what are you studying?
I'm studying BBA.
BBA. Okay, so what do you want to become in future?
I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to have
Entrepreneur.
a business of my own.
Yeah, that's very good of you. And also we are very confident because many people shy about their professions and all,
Uh-huh.
but you are very confident. Do you have a favorite actor of yours?
I'm very into like Indian movies. I don't watch like Hollywood movies.
Okay. So in general,
I think Vijay Deverakonda.
Vijay Deverakonda.
Yeah.
Okay. So why do you like him?
I feel like he's a very natural actor.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I
And
do.
other than that, just classic Rajinikanth.
Rajnikant
Yeah,
vibes,
I'm,
yeah.
I'm like South Indian. I speak Telugu and Tamil at
Okay,
home.
okay.
That's why I'm more like into South Indian.
Vijay Deverakonda. Yeah, even I like Vijay Deverakonda because I saw the movie called Arjunreddy.
Oh yeah.
From there, I instantly connected to him. That the
It
rowdyism.
was remade also in multiple
In Kabir Singh also it
Yeah.
was remade. And he's a rowdy boy.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that name he calls? Rowdy guys, rowdy boy, something like
Yeah,
that.
something like that. I'm
Okay,
not sure.
okay. Even apart from that, I also liked Ligar. I don't know why it flopped.
Yeah, I feel
Because,
like
his dedication to that
some
role.
things are a little unrealistic. Maybe that's it.
Yeah, I think it's because of Ananya Pandey. She's something like a Panoti over there. Do you have a favorite song of yours?
Yeah, it's by the Beatles.
Beatles.
It's called Come Together.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. That was good. Just stand like the way you are. You can give me the bag if you want. I can hold it for you. I just show you. You can adjust yourself. I mean, you're very confident actually. See,
Oh,
something
that's
like this.
great.
If you want to adjust something with your hairs,
Okay,
you can
sure.
adjust.
Just a minute.
Yeah. You can also hand me your bag. I can hold it for you.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
I can just leave it down. That's okay.
Yeah, it's coming cool. So I've taken some 30 photos over here. It's currently
Oh,
loading.
wow.
See, something like this.
Oh wow, that's great. Could you
So-
also send me the pictures?
Definitely, I'll send it to you. See, something like this. It's a candid moment.
Okay.
Okay, this was something else. We'll do some more, okay? Yeah. Just do random, okay? See here, see there, see me. Something like that, okay? Ignore the people.
Yes.
You can also walk from here. Well, no, from there.
From that.
Yeah. Yeah. It's coming good. So like 50 photos over here. It's
Oh,
currently
wow.
loading. We'll see the photos. It was something candid of yours.
Oh wow.
So I'm gonna
that's
take
great.
like 2 to 3 photos from here.
Okay.
And yeah, like everything is come cool. Even here, like some 2 to 3 photos of yours.
Oh wow, this is
Something
great.
like that.
I
So
really like it.
we'll do one last, okay?
Yes, okay.
So you can come to the middle of the street. It'll be very quick. I'll go 360. You follow the camera, okay?
Yes.
Ready? That was very good of you. See some 50 photos over here.
Oh,
It's
wow.
loading.
You're doing a great job.
Yeah, definitely. So I'm a newbie over here.
Okay.
So I don't know much about photography and all. So I don't.
What's your name?
It's Anil,
Okay.
and I don't guide people to give me that some
Yeah.
poses and all.
Yeah.
I just leave them.
That's like
to-
pressure.
Yeah,
This is like you're just getting
Yeah,
free.
I just make them do something very random, and
Yeah,
I'm gonna capture the
I
moment.
feel like you make them comfortable also.
Yes. See, this is something which I've taken. So from here, I'm gonna take 5 photos. I don't know how much I'm gonna take from here, but yeah, that was very lovely of you. We'll do one slow motion video of yours, okay? Just walk towards the camera, okay? Over here. Yeah. Walk. That was good. Something from here. So I'm gonna surprise you with this.
Okay, sure.
It's gonna turn into a slow motion video of yours
Okay.
because it was a street ride. I'm not gonna take much of the time.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was very good of you,
Thank
and
you.
I hope to see you again.
Yes, sure.
Yes.
All the best with everything.
Okay, any one review or in your native language about this experience you wanna share? Just share.
Can I speak in Tamil?
Yeah, your native language.
Okay. So எங்களை ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக ஃபீல் பண்ண வைக்கிறாங்க அண்ட் ஆல்சோ கான்வர்சேஷன்ஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா பேசுகிறாங்க.
Yes, thank you. That was very sweet of you.